The FREESKY 4000W AWD E-Bike is engineered with dual motors that deliver a peak power of 4,000 watts, allowing it to reach impressive speeds over 40 miles per hour. Its advanced suspension system, paired with 26-inch fat tires, ensures a smooth and stable ride across various terrains, from city streets to rugged mountain trails. Equipped with a high-capacity battery featuring Samsung cells, this e-bike offers an exceptional range of up to 120 miles on a single charge. The bike's safety features include a comprehensive lighting system with turn signals, brake lights, and an 800 lumen headlight for enhanced visibility. A robust aluminum alloy frame provides the perfect blend of strength and agility, making it durable enough for both urban and off-road adventures. Assembly is hassle-free with 85% of the bike pre-assembled, and it comes with an extensive warranty and lifetime technical support for peace of mind.